In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix display driver stopped responding and has recovered. First thing you're going to do is you want to go here and type in device manager. Over here, you want to go to display adapters and you want to update your drivers. So update the driver for if you have multiple, like the graphics cards, make sure you update for all your graphics cards. So you can update by going here and just search automatically, or you can just browse and go and find it and click next and this will update. So you can do the same here and update. Next will update. Now here, make sure that both are enabled. If they are, after you do this, you want to go here and type in Windows Update. And here you want to check for updates. If there is any update, make sure you are on the latest update. So sometimes Windows makes these updates so it can fix like bugs or issues with software. So make sure you are always on the latest update. So once you do this, I suggest that you also restart your computer and hopefully your issue is fixed.